Here is a payment I received in just 2 days thanks to a tool I will show you in this video. If you watch this to the end and follow all of the steps, you will know exactly what to do and how to earn this money by investing much less work and time into this than others. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today guys, I have several websites to show you. Now, all of these sites are social media management tools. They are used by people who have many different social media accounts who just can't manage all of them properly and need a bit of help. The first of those sites I will show you today is called Hootsuite.com. The second one is called socialpilot.co, and the third one is called crowdfireapp.com. Now, as an example, I will be going with the socialpilot.co here, as I think it's the best of them. But if you go with Hootsuite or even some other social media management tool that I didn't mention, then that's fine as well. Now, with that being said, you don't need a social media account for this. We won't be paying these sites to manage our own accounts, so no investment is required, as this is a free strategy. Now, that of course begs the question, what do we need these sites for? Well, on Social Pilot in particular, what you need to do when you come on here is scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then you want to find and click on Affiliate Program. So yes, we will indeed want to promote this as an affiliate, and once again, this applies to any of the other websites you picked. You will want to promote them as an affiliate, whether it's Crowdfire or whatever. In any case, I have two methods to get traffic using a variety of different traffic sources, so stick with me to find out what they are. Anyhow, to become an affiliate and get that affiliate link, what you need to do on here is click on Get Started, and then you want to enter in your first and last names, email address, and password. Tick this box agreeing to their affiliate terms, and lastly, just click on Sign Up to finish the process. Now that you have your account, let's backtrack a bit. Why is Social Pilot good to promote as an affiliate in the first place? Well, first and foremost, they offer you 30% recurring commissions. A 30% commission rate is not the best one out there, albeit it's better than most. But the fact that these are recurring commissions is what makes all the difference, guys, because that means if you refer someone to here and they keep using Social Pilot and thus keep paying them, you will be earning 30% of what they pay to Social Pilot for life. This, in turn, means you don't need to refer a large amount of people in order to literally earn thousands of dollars in passive income. On top of that, Social Pilot is a social media management tool, and this is important because people who don't have the time to manage their own accounts will need Social Pilot for the long term. Or in other words, there's a huge chance that whoever you refer to here will keep using this for a longer period of time. Another thing that makes Social Pilot excellent to promote as an affiliate is its amazing prices. As you can see here, it offers a far cheaper option than any of these other websites, including the one I mentioned in the beginning as well, Hootsuite. Moreover, this tool also offers its users a free trial. This is extremely beneficial because when you are promoting anything as an affiliate, the number one problem is skepticism from potential customers. Nobody wants to give away their money to a scam website, and the free trial offers such people an opportunity to test out this tool before paying them. And once they see that it's actually worthwhile, there's a great chance they will actually purchase one of the pricing plans and earn you money in the process. So, as you can see, guys, even though Social Pilot doesn't offer the highest of commission rates, it has amazing features that are extremely beneficial for anyone who wants to promote them as an affiliate. With that said, now let me show you how much money we're actually talking about. You can check this out as well by clicking on Pricing right up here. As you can see, you have 4 pricing plans: Professional, Small Team, Studio, and Agency. And for each of these, a customer has an option of an annual or monthly payment, with the annual one giving them a slight discount. Now, the most popular of these plans is Studio, as you can see, and with the annual option selected, it costs $85 a month, with a total of $1,000 or so a year from a single customer. And since you get 30%, that's around $300. You can already see now why this has so much potential. If you refer 50 people throughout an entire year and they all buy this plan, and many will since it's so popular, you will earn $15,000 in pure passive income just like that. And I will show you how to reach not dozens, but thousands of people. And speaking of, it's finally time for me to show you where you can actually get traffic. And as I said before, I have two methods. The first method is through the use of various freelancing platforms. The one I would very much recommend is peopleperhour.com. What you need to do on here, guys, is click on Search Here, select Offers, and then you want to search for Social Media Management. So we are looking for freelancers who are managing social media accounts. These people are perfect customers in this case. And the reason for that is because they can only manage so many accounts at once, which is also why they are charging literally hundreds of dollars. And think about it. If you present them with a tool like Social Pilot here, which will allow them to manage like 50 accounts, which can earn them thousands of dollars by just investing 80 or so, wouldn't they be inclined to check it out at the very least? Basically, all of the 1,000 plus people that are doing social media management on People Per Hour will have use of socialpilot.co. It will be immensely helpful for them and will allow them to skyrocket their business. And remember, you need dozens of people to accept in order for you to make thousands of dollars passively. Anyhow, in order to contact any of these people and share your affiliate link, what you need to do is hover your mouse over their username like so, and you will be able to see the contact button right here, which you will obviously want to click on. And when you share with them your affiliate link, you want to also go over all of Social Pilot's features with them. This is precisely where Social Pilot's amazing price and free trial come in handy. You want to tell these people about both of those features. And there's a pretty decent chance, as I said, that they will at least give Social Pilot a try. And if they actually pay them, then you will get paid in return as well. Now, as I said, you can use freelancing platforms to find customers, so it's not just People Per Hour as well. One of the biggest freelancing platforms today, called Fiverr.com, is another excellent place to find customers. If you search for social media management, just like on People Per Hour, you will find way more freelancers, and thus, of course, way more customers. Other platforms I would highly recommend are as follows: Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and lastly, QuickenGigs.com. You will want to use all of these to find people who are doing social media management, since that way you'll find far more people. Obviously, not everyone who is a freelancer on Fiverr is also a freelancer on Upwork and vice versa. Anyhow, this is the first way for you to reach customers, guys. The second one is far more effective, and this one I used as well in order to get paid. The link of this tool I will leave in the description box below. This will automatically get you traffic to any affiliate link in just 60 seconds. It gets you multiple traffic sources with just the click of a button. It's perfect for newbies as no experience is required, and last but not least, it offers its users a 180-day money-back guarantee, so you stand to lose nothing if you just give this a try. This will automate the entire process for you for a very small price and will allow you to earn a lot more money by just investing a small amount. Anyways, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.